Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to AT&T account with two-factor authentication. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to your AT&T account using two-factor authentication, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the AT&T login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Sign In button. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you will be prompted for a verification method. Choose your preferred method for receiving a verification code, such as a text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, ensure your mobile phone number is correct and click Send Code. Check your phone for the text message from AT&T. If you chose an authentication app, open the app to access your unique code. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the AT&T login page. Click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your AT&T account. In case of an incorrect code, ensure you enter the code promptly as it may expire. If you face issues receiving the code, consider choosing another verification method if available. Once logged in, explore your account settings to manage your two-factor authentication preferences. It's advisable to keep your contact information updated for future authentications. Remember, enabling two-factor authentication greatly enhances your account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.